Hey guys, this is Karthik Krishna. I have a question for you guys. Can you use your mobile phone for 2 to 3 days without charging? I don't think so. Yes, you can use it around 28,000 years. Yes, you heard it right, 28,000 years. It's unbelievable, right? Come on, let's see in detail about this. This technology is known as nano diamond battery. This was invented by Sir Michael Pepper. In 2016, at the annual lecture of Cobalt Institute, the researchers demonstrated a novel technology to generate energy and they named it as diamond batteries. In 2020, a California-based startup company called NBA has developed a highly efficient nano diamond battery that could last up to 28,000 years without charging. This battery is based on utilization of nuclear waste. Wait, what? Energy source from nuclear waste? Cool, it's safe. Come on, let's see about this in detail. Nuclear power produces nuclear waste that needs to be stored to protect us and the environment from harm for thousands of years until it became safe. At NDB, they decided to recycle the nuclear waste into something good. A lot of this waste is a graphite that is used as a moderator and reflector in a nuclear reactor that increases its efficiency. This has in itself become radioactive over the years of being exposed to the radiations. Radioactive graphite contains C14, a beta ray emitting carbon radioisotope that turns into harmless nitrogen, antineutron, and more importantly an energetic electron. At NDB, they decided to harness the energy since both the graphite and diamond are made of carbon. One could make a radioactive C14 diamond from radioactive C14 graphite. This way, the energetic electron releases from the radioactive decay could scatter and deposit energy to the diamond to generate a shower of electrons as much as 3,600 electrons on average and give up to 11,400 electrons in its track. In other words, it generates electricity on its own. This is, we can make a battery that bleeds electricity from a recycled waste. Best of all, because of its extremely long half-life of 5,700 years, it is in effect a battery that does not run out or need replacing in addition because it is coated with a non-radioactive diamond that prevents radiation leak as well as its being the hardest substance on the earth. It is extremely safe and tamper-proof with no moving parts. It is a green and clean energy solution that when fully used, it will turn into harmless byproducts and self-disposing the nuclear waste. This technology is not only used for mobile phones, also can be used in electrical vehicles, tablets, drones, hearing aids, watches, health monitors, cameras, and even more. They plan to install the NDB onto the electrical vehicles to use as a mobile power source that will consume to sell electricity to the grid so that the city can get electricity. This also can be used in spacecraft to power up the cockpit for communication as well as for the console control and any other auxiliary electrical needs. It also can be used in space station. This NDB battery can be in any form such as 2170, 18650, 312, 277, AA, AAA, LR44 and so on. This is game changing, right? NDB is a clean and green battery technology made of recycled nuclear waste that does not run out and has application in almost anything that requires a battery. Thank you. I hope you guys enjoyed this.